morning everyone. Today we are at Lakshmi Industrial Equipments in Coimbatore. Lakshmi Industrial Equipments are the manufacturers of coconut extracting, oil extracting machines and coconut machine extracting machines. They manufacture they are the original equipment manufacturers and they manufacture all type of machines right from 1 HP to 7.5 HP. This is a copra cutter. In this we put the coconut and we make it as a small pieces, and once it is cut, it comes into this kind of chips, and this is put into a container which will extract oil from this machine and the wastage will be coming out. This oil is collected in a container which is filtered again in a filter machine, and then the oil is final output we are getting it in a container, and this is the filtered oil which we have collected, and this comes with copra cutter, oil extractor and the filtering machine, including the panel board, everything. So per day we can earn up to 10 to 12,000 rupees by using this machine, and this will give you an output of in 1 kg we can get an output of 40 liters per hour, and compared to the wooden extractor, this extractor will give you 20% more than that. This will give 69%. If you put 1 kg of coconut, it will give 69% output. Compared to wooden, only 50% is available. So 20% you can get more output, and it is more efficient and it is very economical. We have given a link in this video. You can contact the details, company details, and you can get the product whatever you are looking for. Thank you.